Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I will show you how to clear your search history on YouTube. Keeping your search history clean can help maintain your privacy and keep your recommendations relevant. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Okay, so once you are on YouTube, click on your profile picture from the bottom right corner. Okay, so now you have to click on the gear menu at the top right corner. Okay, so once you are in the settings menu, previously there is an option named History and Privacy, which is now changed into Manage All History. Tap on it. This is where you can now view your entire YouTube history. Okay, so if you want to clear everything from your YouTube history, you need to click Delete right here. And as you can see, there are three options: delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. If you want to delete your YouTube entire history, click on delete all time. And now click on delete. And when we delete this, I will go to the search bar. And as you can see that my YouTube history has been deleted from here. And that's it. You have successfully cleared your YouTube search history. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.